Hi family. So I know it's been a while. You've seen me on. Yes, girl, I've been busy. And girl, I've been putting on a lot of weight. well, I think I've put on quite a lot of weight. I moved from 80 to 86 and I want to shred. I think early last year I was around 75 thereabouts, and now I shot to 80 during the peak of my studies, and now I'm at 86 and I'm going to be working on my weight. So I'm going to do a month weight loss journey, which I'd want you to join me on it. Yes, I went to check my weight and my BP and all those things. Fortunately, my vitals are mwah. But then it's just a weight I have to check. And so, yeah, we're going to do this together. I'm going to be as real as possible. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be eating every day. Yes, breakfast, lunch, supper. If I'm doing intermittent fasting and all those things, you're going to be seeing it hands-on. Then you can also try it if you want to. And let's see the results, how it goes, and let's see how real it is. As usual, we're cooking with Abba, so do stay tuned. Be joyous, be merry. I'll see ya.